Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. What's up, Mr. O here, and today we're gonna learn how to evaluate function. In evaluating function, remember there's a machine. The machine is your algebraic expression, and the input is your x value for the most part that you inject on the machine, and the machine will work on and will bring an output. Okay. So let's go ahead now. So let's use this function f of x equals 3 halves x plus 4, g of x, x squared minus 4x plus 2, and h of x equal to the absolute value of 2x minus 1. These are your machine, and you're going to input -4 to the machine f. So the -4 will plug into the x value of the machine f. So this will be now 3 halves. Instead of writing x, I'm going to write -4 plus 4 here. And you can divide -4 by 2 or multiply -4 by 3. Either or, you should still get the same answer here. So for me, -4 divided by 2 will give me -2. -2 times 3 will give me -6 plus 4. That will become -2. So therefore, f of -4 is equal to -2. Next, g of -2. That means the -2, the input, will go to the machine g. So I'm going to plug in -2 right here and there because there are two x's there. So -2 squared minus 4 times -2 plus 2. If you're using calculator, please don't forget to write or include the parentheses right here. Otherwise, you might get a -4, which the answer will be wrong. -2 squared is -2 times -2, which is negative times negative should be a positive 4. -4 times -2 will give you positive 8 plus 2 there. That will give you 12 plus 2 is 14. So therefore, g of -2 is equal to 14. Easy, right? Boom. Next, same machines, but this time you're being asked to find h of -1/2. So I'm going to plug in the 1/2 here. This will become absolute value of 2 -1/2 minus 1. When you multiply 2 and 1/2, that will give you an absolute value of -1 minus 1. And -1 minus 1 is -2 in an absolute value. And absolute value of -2 is positive 2. So therefore, h of -1/2 is equal to positive 2. Now this one here, I have here 2 minus 3 times the quantity or times the function of f of 8 over 9. So that means you're going to plug in the 8 over 9 to the f here. So you're going to have 2 minus 3. Then what you're going to plug in the 8 over 9 here. So it will be 3 halves 8 over 9 plus 4. Okay, so when you're dealing with two fractions, when you multiply them, there are multiple ways of doing this one here. I'm going to make it simple. We're going to try to multiply them straight across. So 3 times 8 will give me 24. 2 times 9 will give you 18. Okay, plus 4 there. And there's still 2 minus 3 outside. We can reduce, simplify form, the 24 and 18. Both of them are divisible by, let's say, 6, right? Divided by 6. So that will give you 24 divided by 6 is 4. 18 divided by 6 is 3 plus 4. And there's a 3 outside and 2 minus. Now you have to apply your concept with fraction. 4/3 plus 4, they need to have the same denominator. I'm going to write my answer here. So 2 minus 3. My strategy is I multiply 3 by 4. That will become 12. And then I copy the denominator. Now they have the same denominator here. So that will give me now 16 over 3. And when I multiply 3 by 16 over 3, this cancel out. So what's left now is 2 minus 16, which will be -14. And that's the answer. Okay. One more here. So what if you're given an expression, a binomial? that you need to plug into the function, the machine g. So here it will become 3x minus 1 squared minus 4 times 3x minus 1. If you notice, I just changed the x's by the 3x minus 1. Here you have to do FOIL, first, outer, inner, last, which will be 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1 here. You're going to do it twice. Here you're going to distribute the negative 4 here, negative 12x plus 4 plus 2. Doing the FOIL, 3x times 3x will give me 9x squared. 3x times negative 1 will be negative 3x. And here will also be negative 3x. And negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 minus 12x plus 6 because 4 plus 2 is 6. Combine any like terms here, I'm going to have 9x squared minus 6. This will be 3, 3, 6, 12, and that will be negative 18x plus 7. There's no more like terms there, so therefore the g of 3x minus 1 is 9x squared minus 18x plus 7. Here, here's just a little different problem. You're given f of x is equal to negative 2. The number is not inside the parentheses. You're not having input. You have an output. So basically, the question here is that the output of the machine f is negative 2. What was the input? So what we're going to do here is very simple. What is f of x? F of x is right here. You're going to set that equal to negative 2. So therefore, you're going to have 3 halves x plus 4. And then f of x will be replaced by negative 2. And just solve for the x here. So minus 4 here, minus 4 here. This becomes negative 6 equal to 3 halves x. Multiply everything here by 2. By 2. This cross out. This becomes negative 12 is equal to negative. Nope, that's not negative. Plus 3x. Then divided by 3, divided by 3, cross it out. X equal to negative 4. There you have it. Very simple, right? I hope you learned how to evaluate function. As always, boom. Hey, go to pink one, please.